Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I took my mini braids down and got this braid out, this braid out. So if you want to see it, keep watching. So I'm just starting off by putting my hair up just so I can kind of like get it out the way. And I'm going to be using Unicoils Misty refreshing spray. And then I just sprayed that all on the section. And I just began to take it down, honestly. But you want to spray it just so like your hair isn't dry like when you take it down. Now I will say with my mini braids, I experienced a lot of tangles while taking it down. So you can kind of see like it's a little hard for me to get my braids undone. I don't know what that was about, but I don't know, my hair was just kind of tangled. But I did have really good definition, as you can see right here, because my braids are in for about a week and a half or 2 weeks. And if you didn't see me braid my hair originally, the video for that is going to be in the description box. But I'm just starting at the ends of my hair, and then I just unravel my hair until I get to the top. I'm not really fluffing my hair out today. Well, I'm gonna fluff it, but I'm not like pulling the pieces apart, so I'm just keeping it all together. So after I take the braid down, I just leave it alone. Although I did experience some tangles from these mini braids, I will say that I like the definition that it gave me. You can see like my hair is kind of in a zigzag type of curl, and I like that, which is why I like doing braid out. So I was really happy with the definition. And now I'm just going in with my pick, and I'm starting to pick from the ends to the roots. So when you pick, you never want to go all the way through your hair. So you never want to comb your hair. You're going to like put the pick in and kind of like stop it once you get to a certain point. Because like I said, you don't want to go through your ends. And I like to flip my hair over just so I can make sure my entire head is getting picked out. And I would usually put edge control on, but I'm about to go to sleep. So I'm just going to take 2 pieces in the front and kind of put it behind my ears just because I don't want my hair on my face. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at XO_Romani. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you guys next time.